Hello YouTube, this is Phoenix Down 87 and today we are doing something new today. Now I know a lot of you are probably watching this wondering why there is a race car on your screen. Yes, this is a card opening channel and yes, we are opening cards today. And by the look of things, you could guess that we are opening a Nascar product. I feel that this doesn't really get a lot of love on YouTube. Not a lot of openings for NASCAR products, by just people who are just opening for their personal collection. So I figured I might as well just start doing this a little bit as well. This box, it's from 2017. It's 17 Select. It's going to be two autograph cards and 3 memorabilia per box. So you get five hits per box. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of it today. A long day. So yeah, so we got 5 hits per box, 12 packs per box. I'm not sure how many cards you get per pack. Doesn't really say on here. You do get drive off with a 3-tier base set, grandstand, pit pass, and hot bass. Is that's weird? Hot bass apparently. We'll see if that's actually what it says. It might be hot pass. Each featuring their own parallels. So you get 12 packs per box, but then you also get the 2 autographs and the 3 memorabilia cards. So this should be an exciting opening. Like I said, this is the first NASCAR product I've done on this channel. It's actually the first time I'm opening this box, so I'm pretty excited. So let's see what we get in here. So that's the box. It's a Panini product, so you're going to get a pretty unique box. We'll hang on to that. So we have, once again, 12 packs. Oh, you know what? It does say the cards per pack, so there's 5 cards per pack. Wow. I don't know if I just wasn't even seeing that. It is hot pass, not hot bass. Of course, it is NASCAR, so, hot bass wasn't out of the question. So we are getting 5 hits. 3 of those are memorabilia. 2 of those are autographs. And let's open up the first pack and see what we got. It's a thick pack. This might be a hit right off the bat. Yeah, it's going to be a hit. We're going to save that one. Yeah, it's definitely a thick card in there. Okay, so we have, these cards look very sharp. Very sharp. This is Trevor Bayne. Danica Patrick, Hall of Famer. We have a red, white, and blue parallel. Wow. Clint Boyer. That is sharp. No, it is numbered. It is, maybe if I have it the right way. So it's a grandstand card, 29 of 299. That is pretty neat. Speed Merchants, Paul Menard. And Joey Logano. Once again, grandstand. So they did say that they had 3 levels. Grandstand, I believe, is probably the lowest level, but that red, white, and blue card is actually pretty cool. Okay, so we have another hit, so we're going to put this off to the side as well. So 2 thick cards, so those are 2 of our Mem cards. Jamie McMurray, Eric Jones, who looks like he's 12. We have a rookie card, Kaz Garla. We have Select Stars, Austin Dillon. Not numbered, but it looks like it is a parallel. And Chase Elliott, grandstand card. Is the rookie numbered? Yeah, the rookie's numbered. I apologize. Wow, so I didn't even notice that. 43 of 50. Wow, that is neat. So it looks like, yeah, this rookie card is numbered. Let me see if that's like a specialty or if let's see. So that was Select. Is that like a pit pass or that's a grandstand? Looks like it might be gold or it might be white parallel with the background. Not really sure how those parallels work, but yeah, that's what we have there. So far this box is looking pretty decent. If you're a fan of NASCAR, even if you're just a fan of trading cards, I mean, I haven't really hit on any of the hits yet, and I've already gotten some good cards out of this. And they look great. Panini really does a good job with a lot of their cards. I wish they would come back to hockey. We got Upper Deck, which I don't hate Upper Deck. I actually like Upper Deck a lot. I just, sometimes it is what it is. Matt Tiff, not numbered. Austin Dillon. Okay, so we have a red parallel. So it looks like that one, Kaz Garza, was a white parallel. This is red. And this one is numbered 57 of 99. So you are getting your fill of number cards in this set if you like numbered cards and numbered parallels. This is definitely a set to collect. So we have Speed Merchants, Trevor Bayne. Rookie card, Daniel Suarez. This one's not numbered, but it is a rookie card. Still a lot of packs left. All the stuff that we've gotten so far. By the way, this box, I don't know if I mentioned it before, this box was $41. I got it at my local David Adams. Now, obviously, when it first came out in 2017, it was probably a lot more. I think the original price is over $100, but definitely down because it's 2017. I think they're in 2019 now. It's a great value. I mean, you look at the fact that you get 5 hits, so that's $8 a hit. Plus everything else that we've gotten that's not counting towards any of those hits. We haven't even gotten any of the autos yet. Dakota Armstrong. Brandon Jones. So we have a silver parallel, it looks like. No, it's just normal. It looks a lot shinier, but it is Elliott Sadler. Select Stars, Martin Truex, I apologize, Martin Truex. And Blake Koch. Let me put a thing on here. Okay, so Trevor Bayne, AJ Allmendinger. You have a very shiny Kurt Busch. I think that these might be the, let's see, what parallel do you have? So not the Pulsar, of course. That Pulsar is the Clint Boyer. Yeah, these might just be just more shinier cards. Up close and personal, Dale Earnhardt Jr. playing with, I believe that's his dog, yeah. And rookie card, William Byron, who, has some good potential, good upside. I can't get over how nice these cards look. Ryan Reed, Brendan Gaughan, and we have another Pulsar red, white, and blue card. Here we go. Jamie McMurray. This one is also numbered 166 of 299. So you got 2 red, white, and blue Pulsars. These cards look fantastic. They remind me of the Prisms for Panini as well. Got Select Stars, Terry Labonte, and Denny Hamlin. Oh, okay, so you got a member. Okay, so here's the third pack with the memorabilia, so we're going to put that there. So, okay, so you get 2 autographs. So in 2 of these 3 packs are autographs. I think this makes up for some of the not so great luck I've been having. Okay, so we got Chris Boucher. That would have been a nice autograph. Richard Petty. Brad Keselowski, Grandstand. Speed Merchants, Clint Boyer. And we have a blue parallel. Not the autograph, but a blue parallel. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. This is numbered 1 of 199. This is a parallel heavy set. So we got 2 autographs. We know the autographs are in here. Do we want to do the autographs first? You know what? Let's do these first. Let's do the Mem Cards. John Hunter Nemechek. Bubba Wallace. Corey LaJoy. And we got Matt Tiff. And shiny card. And we have... Ooh. Okay. So select pairs. We have Austin Dillon, Ryan Newman. It looks like these are sheet metals. Okay, so these are enclosed race material used as guaranteed by Panini America. So, yeah. Okay, so it just has a style. Okay, so it's just their likeness. So it's dual sheet metal cards of Ryan Newman and Austin Dillon. That is slick. And it is a blue parallel. It is numbered. I apologize. I skimmed over that. It is numbered 150 out of 199. Oh, that's a nice hit for the first hit. This card is, sorry folks, this card is thick. So I complain that I don't have any patch cards, and I have a feeling that my first patch card will be a NASCAR card. Let's see if it is. Let's see if I'm right. So we have Kyle Busch, Jamie McMurray, rookie card of Gary Galding, Chris Buescher, another select pairs. This one another blue parallel. Joey Logano, Ryan Blaney. Oops. Let's fix that. Looks like this is part of a tire. This is part of sheet metal. That's pretty cool. Numbered 107 of 199. Once again, at the price, this was pretty much $8 a hit. So not bad hits for that price point. I might have to go and get myself another box of these. I am enjoying these a lot. Especially, like I said, for the price, you really can't go wrong. So you got Kevin Harvick, Matt Tiff, Clint Boyer, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and I told you, first it's a swatch, so it's not a patch, it's a swatch, but it's, what is it? Select swatches. Kevin Harvick, and there's some battle-worn damage there. And it is a red parallel. I apologize for overlooking that. Red parallel. Closed race use materials guaranteed by Panini of USA. Numbered 90. Oh, can we focus? 93 of 99. Kevin Harvick, who is just warming up. Really, I mean, at the age of 43, and you know, dude killed it last year. Didn't quite take home the championship, but this year I think that that's what he's got his eyes on. I gotta get some thicker of the hard cases, because yeah, there's some thick cards in here. So that's our third memorabilia card. So we have the 2 autograph cards that we gotta look at. I cannot believe how good this haul's been, and we still have the 2 auto packs. So we have Landon Castle, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Denny Hamlin, Martin Truex Jr., and Ryan Reed signature, the blue parallel. It is numbered. We can focus. Four of 25. So, there we go. 4 of 25. Ryan Reed. Not bad. And yeah, I gotta point out, NASCAR drivers have some of the best penmanship as far as when it comes to autographs. You know, a lot of athletes, they'll sign just like a couple swiggles and call it a signature. That is a nice penmanship. Michael Annette, Ryan Sieg. Oh, we have ourselves a rainbow. Oh, a rainbow Danica Patrick. This is a pit pass card. And it is 2 of 24. Ooh. So nice numbered parallel from Danica. Austin Dillon. And, oh, okay. Terry Labonte. Endorsements. It is not numbered, though. So it's a base auto. But it is auto from Terry Labonte. So I did not know that we had legend autos, but we do. So to recap our autos, we do have Terry Labonte and Ryan Reed. And then for our Mem Cards, we have Kevin Harvick swatch. We have the duos, the pairs of Joey Logano, Ryan Blaney, and the pairs of Austin Dillon and Ryan Newman. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope that you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you plan on picking one of these up, or if you already have, what you got. And let me know what you want to see in future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good night. Bye.